gingerbread man, where's your Christmas spirit? I would like to see you dancing, come on. Take a first step. My love is gifted for you to help you through the river. I know you went through a lot, but why not take a second shot? Hey, gingerbread man, where's your Christmas spirit? Tell me, where's your Christmas spirit? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, the red-nosed reindeer was found. There'll be a miracle this time, and you will not fall into the fox's mouth. So baby, run, run, run from everyone who's trying to take a bite of you. I bet if you believe this Christmas is gonna be too good to be true. Yeah. Look in the mirror, we look like Santa's helpers, wearing ugly sweaters. Have a seat by the fire, eating candy canes while my heart is beating, yeah. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, the red-nosed reindeer was found. There'll be a miracle this time, and you will not fall into the fox's mouth. Well, baby, run, run, run from everyone who's trying to take a bite of you. I bet if you believe this Christmas Eve is gonna be too good to be true, and you'll be singing, hey, 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 yeah, singing, hey, 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 yeah. Santa Claus, yeah, it's me. Need your help, so I'm down on my knees. Send a word to a friend of mine, please, and things will be alright at the end. Now you don't have to run from anyone. It's gonna be just you and I. As long as you are here next to me, enjoying this Christmas day, you'll be singing, hey, 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 it's Christmas time. Hey, gingerbread man, where's your Christmas spirit? I would like to see you dancing, come on. Take a first step. My love is gifted for you to help you through the river. I know you went through a lot, but why not take a second shot? Hey, gingerbread man, where's your Christmas spirit? Tell me, where's your Christmas spirit? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, the red-nosed reindeer was found. There'll be a miracle this time, and you will not fall into the fox's mouth. So baby, run, run, run from everyone who's trying to take a bite of you. I bet if you believe.
When the fires in our eyes heat up and collide, spaces revolving around, dilate as we hide. We've been here all along. This is how I remember exploring your mind as our bodies surrender. We are drunk with desire, blue light. tempo of vertigo. I can't let go. Keep me close to your body and undress me slow. Undress me from my faults. Undress me from confusion. It's too late to leave alone. I know you're getting my illusion. Running from bright daylight, losing track of the hours, symphony of wild sensations, written by two lovers, my skin getting used to the thrill of your touch. Can I say it? Can I say it costly, baby? I want you so much. I'm leaving the
Oh, darling, I'm in our bed, wondering if I should call in sick. I'm just so in love with everything you said. How could I go back to who I was? I waited too long to take a bite. Didn't realize I was starving. Been so cautious in love since my parents split up. Does that sound fair? I care about you. Do you care for me too? Oh, darling, I'm in our bed, wondering if I should call it sick. I'm just so in love with everything you said. How could I go back to who I was? Remember the time we went to Big Sur? I was falling in love in water slides, yeah. Then you told me that it's over.